This video will show you how to power off your iPhone SE3, and there's two ways to do this, so let's get going. Thank you for watching my video. Please thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future tech help guides and reviews. And I'll show you the first method now, and all you need to do is press and hold down the side button and keep it pressed down until you see this slide to power off option, and then we just slide it to power off like that. The second method is to go into settings and scroll down to general, tap on general, and then scroll down to shut down, and then just tap on shut down, and then you get the option to slide to power off and then slide it to power off like that. And to power your iPhone back on, you just need to press and hold down the side button until the Apple logo appears. There you go. So if you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for a lot more tech reviews to come. Thanks for watching.